Okay, dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square by x square. సో మోస్ట్లీ ప్రాబ్లంలో y స్క్వేర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్సే ఉంటాయి, ఇంకా వేరే ఏమి ఉండవు. సో దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే నువ్వు డైరెక్ట్ కూడా రావచ్చు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ నాన్ లీనియర్, దట్ ఈస్ ఎ బెర్నౌలీ ఈక్వేషన్. కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్, కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ లీనియర్. మనకు డైరెక్ట్గా ఫార్మ్ ఉంది. ఏది మనకు డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా అంటే dv by dx plus 1 minus n into p of x into v is equal to 1 minus n into q of x. So here what is a v? The v is nothing but a, what is v? V is nothing but a y power of 1 minus n. This is nothing but a y power of n value. N value ఎంత ఉందంటే మనకి ఇది y power n 1 minus 2, y power of minus 1. So therefore we get that n is equal to 2. Here that n is equal to 2. We get that dv by dx plus 1 minus 2 into p of x, that is 1 by x, into v. What is a v? Into v is equal to 1 by x square. 1 by x square into 1 minus n, 1 minus 2. So finally we get that dv by dx minus 1 by x into v equal to minus 1 by x square. So this is compared to that dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. It is a linear equation. So ఇలాగనే డైరెక్ట్ రాయొచ్చు మనం. ఇది మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. dv by dx plus 1 minus n into p of x into v is equal to 1 minus n into q of x. v is nothing but a y power of 1 minus n, nothing but a y power of n value is 2, y power of n value 2, we get that y power of minus 1. And here that if you do the comparing these two, what is the p of x? P of x equal to minus 1 by x and q of x equal to minus 1 by x square. P of x equal to minus 1 by x and q of x equal to minus 1 by x square. Okay, we need to find that integrating factor if, that is integrating factor. if is nothing but integrating factor. What is the formula? E power integral of p of x into dx. This is a formula, e power integral of p of x into dx. We get that integral of p of x. What is the p of x? The p of x equal to 1 by x, that is this one. E power of 1 by x, what is the value? E power of minus log x. This is nothing but e power of log of x minus 1. Here పైన ఉంటుంది, పైన ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. And what is the result? The result is equal to x minus 1, nothing but 1 by x. So therefore integrating factor equal to 1 by x. సో ఇక్కడ మనం రెండు ఫార్ములాలు యూజ్ చేసినాం. ఏమి ఆ ఫార్ములా అంటే log a power m, nothing but m log a అనే ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసినాం. e power of log x, nothing but x, ఇదొక ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసినాం. And next we need to find that general solution. That is general solution gs equal to v into integrating factor q of x into integrating factor into dx. So therefore we get that v into integrating factor. What is integrating factor? 1 by x. Integral of q of x. What is the q of x here? That is a q of x equal to minus 1 by x square into 1 by x into dx. Okay. So therefore we get that minus 1 by x cube into dx. Integration of x power minus 3. What is that integration of x power minus 3? X power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. That is x power of minus 2 by minus 2. Minus minus is cancelled. We get 1 by 2 into 1 by x square. 1 by 2. What is the value? The value is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x square. Therefore, v equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus c. After completion of this one, we can add c. Therefore, v equal to 1 by 2x square. Nothing but okay, x square cancel avutundi. 1 by 2 into x plus cx. So therefore, v, what is a v? V nothing but y power minus 1. That is nothing but 1 by y. V nothing, v substitute v. 1 by y. That is 1 by y equal to x by 2 plus cx. X by 2 plus cx. Therefore, 1 equal to y into x by 2 plus cx. X by 2 plus cx. ఇట్లా చేస్తాం. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అదేనా మనం వాడచ్చు, తప్పేం కాదు. ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఏమంటే dv by dx plus 1 minus n into p of x into v is equal to 1 minus n into p of x. ఈ ఫార్ములా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఇక్కడ తప్పు చేయకూడదు. అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ v? v equal to y power of 1 minus n. నథింగ్ బట్ y power of minus 1. అంటే y power of minus 1 అంటే అర్థం ఏమి? 1 by y అని. దీన్ని లాస్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో ఫైనల్గా ఏం చేస్తామంటే నాన్ లీనియర్ నుంచి లీనియర్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసినాం. చేసిన తర్వాత లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కనుక్కుంటాము. నెక్స్ట్ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ కనుక్కుంటాం. ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవడం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. Okay. The next one is dy by dx plus y by x is equal to xy square into sin x. First దీన్ని ఎలా రాస్తామంటే dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to x sin x into y square. అంటే x టర్మ్ లన్నీ సపరేట్ రాస్తాము, y సపరేట్ రాస్తాము. Here we compared that. What is the comparison? dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to p of x into y power n. n అంటే ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు? 2. n is equal to 2. It is non-linear. Non-linear. Convert into linear. సో డైరెక్ట్గా రాస్తాం. రాయడం ఎలా రాస్తామంటే dv by dx plus 1 minus n into p of x into v is equal to q of x into 1 minus n. డైరెక్ట్గా రాయొచ్చు దీన్ని. అండ్ we substitute the values of n. Substitute n is equal to 2. And what is a v? V is nothing but a y power of 1 minus n, nothing but a y power of 1 minus 2. That is y power of minus 1. 1 by y. V equal to 1 by y. So we get that dv by dx plus 1 minus 2 into p of x. What is the p of x? P of x equal to 1 by x into v. Q of x. What is the q of x? X sin x into 1 minus 2. Into 1 minus 2. So finally we get that dv by dx plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 1 by x into v is equal to 1 minus 2 is nothing but a minus of minus x sin x. So we get finally we get that dv by dx minus 1 by x into v equal to minus x into sin x. And this is dy by dx plus p of x into q, p of x into y is equal to Q of x. What is the P of x here? The P of x equal to minus 1 by x. P of x is nothing but a minus 1 by x star. Q of x is nothing but a minus x sin x. We need to find that integrating factor, that is e power integral of P of x into dx. E power integral of P of x nothing but a minus 1 by x into dx. E power minus log x, this is nothing but e power of log of x minus 1. Finally we get the answer equal to x minus 1, nothing but 1 by x. What is the integrating factor? Integrating factor equal to 1 by x. And the general solution equal to, what is the general solution? V into integrating factor, integral of Q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. V into integrating factor, that is 1 by x. Q of x, what is a Q of x? Minus x, minus will be taken as outside, x sin x into 1 by x into dx. X will be cancelled. And we written as integration of sine. Integration of sine is nothing but a minus cos x. So minus into minus plus. So therefore the V into 1 by x equal to the value equal to cos x plus c. And we substitute c. V equal to, we written as V, that is x cos x plus cx. Substitute V, that is nothing but 1 by y, that is 1 by y equal to x cos x plus cx, and y 1 equal to y ని సైడ్ పంపిస్తాం, x cos x plus cx. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మనం చేసేటప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి అంటే, మనకు మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వచ్చేసి ఈ పార్ట్. ఈ పార్ట్లో తప్పు చేయకూడదు. That is dv by dx plus 1 minus n into p of x into v equal to q of x into 1 minus n. We substitute the value of n. The non-linear will be converted into the linear. The p of x equal to minus 1 by x, q of x equal to minus x into sin x. We find that integrating factor, that is nothing but 1 by x. And the general solution, nothing but just what is the formula for general solution? V into integrating factor is equal to integral of q of x into integral factor. X will be cancelled. Integration of sine, nothing but a minus cos. Minus will be cancelled. Finally we get that V equal to x cos x plus cx. And we substitute V, finally V equal to 1 by y. This is nothing but a V equal to 1 by y. ఈ విధంగా చేయాలి. Okay. The next one is dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equal to x cubed into cos square y. సో మనం నార్మల్ డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా వాడినప్పుడు y పవర్ n అనే టర్మ్ ఉండాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏముందంటే cos square y ఉంది. సో నార్మల్ ప్రొసీజర్ చేస్తాం, డివైడెడ్ బై cos square y. సో x పక్కన ఎంత ఉంటే అంత వాల్యూ డివైడెడ్ బై చేస్తాం, డివైడెడ్ బై cos square y. So nothing but 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into, you written as a sin 2y formula, nothing but a 2 sin y cos y by cos square y is equal to x cube. 1 cos will be cancelled. Sin by y, sin by cos is nothing but a tan, nothing but 1 by cos square, nothing but a secant square y into dy by dx plus x in, that is 2x into tan x tan y is equal to x cube. So let us assume that ఈ పక్కన ఎంత అంటే ఆ వాల్యూ తీసుకుంటాం. Let v equal to tan y. dv by dx, differentiation of tan y, nothing but a secant square y into dy by dx secant square y into dy by dx can be written as dv by dx. It is a 1 and it is 2. Substitute 2 in 1. So therefore we get that secant square is equal to dv by dx plus 2x into tan y, nothing but a v, equal to x cube. So this is compared to that dy by dx, compare dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. It is a linear. It is linear equation. So therefore what is the p of x? The p of x equal to 2x and q of x is nothing but x cube. Q of x is nothing but q of x equal to x cube. So therefore integrating factor equal to e power integral of p of x into dx. E power integral of 2 will be taken as outside. Integration of e power x square by 2. We get that e power x square. Integrating factor equal to e power x square. And next we have written as general solution. The general solution equal to v into q of x integrating factor integral of q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. V into integrating factor e power x square, q of x, what is q of x? X cube into integrating factor is equal to e power x square into dx. Okay. What we do? We do that x cubed can be written as x square into x. This can be written as x square into x, e power x square into x into dx. Plus c last and rasta x cubed and rasta x square into x and rasta. Let us assume that t equal to x square. Let t equal to x square. Differentiation of this one equal to 2x. From that 1 by 2 into dt nothing but x into dx. X into dx in the right. So appudu manaki em ostundi ante, so directly we get that v into e power x square equal to integral of t into e power t. T into e power t, 1 by t is taken as outside into dt. Apply that integration by parts formula. Apply integration by parts formula. So we get that t, differentiation of this one we get e power t, directly take that e power t, integration. So what is that integration by parts formula? Integration of u dv, uv minus u dash v1. uv, that is written as uv, that is nothing but uv minus integral of v du. Integral of v du. Okay, this is a v, u, what is u? T, differentiation, u dash, u dash, dv nothing but e power t, t equal to that is e power t, integration of t, again we do that v1, nothing but again we integrate, so plus minus, so we get that 1 by 2 into e power t is taken as outside, t into e power t minus t into e power t minus e power t, and e power t will be taken as a common, we get that t minus 1. This is the integration, and we substitute t. Substitute t equal to, what is t? X square. We get 1 by 2 into e power x square into x square minus 1. Okay, and this is nothing but a v equal to this value plus c divided by e power x square. So we get that v equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus e power of minus x square plus c into e power of minus x square, and we substitute v equal to, what is v? V equal to tan y. Substitute v equal to tan y. So therefore we get tan y equal to minus 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus x square. సో ఇది కొద్ది లెంతీ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే cos square y ఉంది, డివైడెడ్ బై cos square y చేస్తాం. చేసినప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటంటే ఎట్లా కన్వర్ట్ ఉందంటే 2v ప్లస్ 2x ఇంటూ v ఈక్వల్ టు x క్యూబ్. ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కనుక్కుంటాం e పవర్ x స్క్వేర్. ఇది కూడా ఈజీనే, జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇంతవరకు చేస్తాం. దీంట్లో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ ఫార్ములా వచ్చింది, అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సంబంధించిన ఫార్ములా వచ్చింది ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ a shortcut method. What is a shortcut method? u dash v v1. U t, differentiation of t 1. Directly we take that dv here, integration of dv v e power t. This is nothing but integration of e power t equal to e power t. E power t రాసుకుంటాము. Again we do the integration, we get that e power t plus minus. చేసి simplify, substitute t equal to x square and at last v equal to 1 by that is v equal to tan y substitute చేస్తాం. ఫైనల్ గా మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది, tan y equal to minus 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus x square.